Hello my fellow handsome gentlemen, I'm Piotr from Men's Improvement and welcome to the video. Grooming and skincare products for men can be fairly expensive and the majority of the cheap ones aren't very good. But there are cheap products out there for us men that are absolutely wonderful to use. So in today's video I'm gonna show you 5 cheap products for men that I really enjoy and I would recommend you guys to try. Now the first product is this one. It is Nivea Men Sensitive Face Cream. This is a daily moisturizer and there are a lot of reasons to like this product. As you can see, this is still in the packaging because I actually bought it yesterday. Again, this is my second bottle because my first bottle is about to run low because I love the moisturizer so much, and as I told you, there are a lot of reasons to like this moisturizer. It's cheap, it's around $9 to $13. It's 75 ml, which means it will last you for a fairly long time. It's easy to get your hands on because Nivea is a grocery store brand, so it's very accessible for literally anyone. It's fragrance and alcohol free, which means that people with very sensitive skin will most likely like this one. I have sensitive skin and I like this one a lot. And the fifth reason is because it has very good performance. It hydrates and moisturizes my face for the whole day. That is why I like this one. Now gentlemen, the second item that I want you to try because it is so cheap yet so good is the Piz Buin SPF 30 Lip Balm. We know that there's tons of cheap lip balms on the market that don't provide you with the proper moisture and performance, but don't worry, I have found a cheap yet very good performing lip balm out there on the market. That is this one from Piz Buin. This one with SPF 30 for $5. It is amazing how good this lip balm is and also provides with a SPF factor of 30. Now gentlemen, the third item that I want to recommend to you guys, all of these items by the way are under $20 or maybe $20, but the third item is from the massive skincare brand called Bulldog. You might have heard of them before. They make very good grooming and skincare products for us men for a very good price. And I have really been enjoying the Bulldog shave oil lately. The shaving oil makes your facial hair feel moisturized, hydrated and damp, and it really enhances your shaving experience. So before you're applying a shave cream or a shave balm in order to shave or trim your beard, I highly recommend that you try to put on a shave oil before you do any form of shaving, because this will enhance your experience, and I highly recommend you to try this one. It is all the way from $20 down to $13 if you find it on sale. At least that's how I found it. It was on sale and I've got it for 13 bucks. I highly recommend this product because of the price point. Now the fourth product on the list is actually also from the Bulldog brand. Mentioning shaving and the shave oil, you actually need a razor or another type of shaving product in order to actually perform the art of shaving and trimming your beard. And number 4 is actually Bulldog's bamboo razor. I was recently going to buy a new razor because I was in need of a new razor, and I actually found the Bulldog bamboo razor on a discount. I don't know why my Google Home actually reacted to me talking about a Bulldog razor. I am surprised about how comfortable it is to hold and use this razor for the price. It costs between $16 to $22, and for the majority of the time it is on sale, so it is still under $20, so it can be on the list. I really recommend this one if you're in need of a razor, and it also actually comes with an extra pair of razor blades, so that is also amazing if you want to keep this razor for a while. And finally, the fifth item on this list actually comes from Neutragena, and Neutragena isn't actually a brand that I enjoy a lot because of their fragranced line of products. They don't do a lot of products without fragrance, and I don't really like products with fragrance unless it is just a face wash, because if it's just a wash off treatment then my skin doesn't react as bad to the fragrance, and I just think the fragrance is an unnecessary ingredient. But the Neutragena Norwegian formula hand cream is very good. It is fast absorbing and it's just very gentle and nice for the skin. This one is the scented one. It actually smells nice, but with the red cap you can get it unscented, and that is maybe even better. I haven't tried that one, but if this one is very good, then I can imagine the one without fragrance is maybe a little bit better. But if you don't like this one, don't worry, it only costs between $4 to $5. So if you don't like this one, it hasn't been a lot of money that you wasted on a product. And if you don't like this one, you can just have it laying around the house so you can moisturize your hands once in a while, because this one is so cheap. You can just have it around the house without worrying about it. So I highly recommend this one to you. It's just so cheap for what you're getting. The performance on this one, in my opinion, is very, very good. So gentlemen, that was it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this short list of 5 cheap men's products that I really enjoy. All of these, as I told you, are under $20 or $20. I will list the name of all of these products in the description below, so you can make your own research and maybe even consider trying some of these products. I highly recommend them. And if you think about trying them, let me know in the comments below, and maybe even comment some products that you like to try or that you are using that you think I should talk about, and maybe even recommend me some brands that you would like to hear about. If their products are good or not, I will gladly make some product reviews for you, as I did on the Jade Black video that I could link right up here. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button on the video so I know that you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more educational content for men. Press the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video for you guys to become the best possible version of yourselves. And until the next video, smile more. It's free.